don't understand. She's dead. Look.
We need more E's and W's down here now!
We're trying! We're running out of letters!
Just turn the M's upside down and send them down here!
You can't just do that! There's a lot of paperwork before you
I don't care! I'll take the heat! Just turn them over and send them down!
Your ass is awfully fat to be swinging around like that. I wish they did tours like this in the hood.
I don't understand. She's dead.
Fuck!
Already reeling, Mother. Shouldn't Victoria Everglot be marrying a...
Girl, don't even think of stopping my moves with your fat ass.
I'm already reeling, Mother. Shouldn't Victoria Everglot be marrying a lord or something? I've never even spoken to her.
What the fuck?
Who are you?
This is so embarrassing. Shit! My shoulder!
Your cup will never empty. I will light your way in dark. With this ring, I ask you... Wait, you don't understand. She's dead. Look, don't you understand? You're the other woman. Wait, you don't understand. She's dead. Look,